Hey everyone, today I'm excited to share something a little different from my usual tech content, how I completely changed the way I pack for travel by renting my clothes. Yeah, you heard that right. Instead of packing a suitcase full of clothes, I decided to rent a lot of them through a service called HackPacking during my recent trip through Europe. Not only did this make my travel experience way smoother, but it also came with some unexpected perks. Let's break down exactly why I hired clothes instead of traveling with them and how it transformed my trip. Thanks to HackPacking for supplying the clothes. Let's get into it. Okay, reason number one, lighter luggage means stress-free travel. First and foremost, let's talk about luggage. One of the biggest advantages of hiring clothes through HackPacking was how much lighter my luggage became. Normally when traveling for a week or more, I'd have to lug around a fairly large suitcase or my wheeled duffel bag stuffed with outfits for every possible situation. Even if I'm packing light, it's still a big proportion of my luggage. But with HackPacking, I skipped most of that. I was able to bring only the essentials, tech gear, toiletries, and a few personal clothing items like underwear. I don't want to rent those, since all my clothes are waiting for me at my destination in London. Now this wasn't just about convenience, it could also be a game changer for you in so many different ways. Imagine breezing through the airport without having to wait for checked bags. And if it's part of a bigger trip for you on the days when you're hopping between cities via train or short flights, it can be a huge relief and time saver to carry only a small lightweight bag. It also gives you more freedom to explore spontaneously without worrying about heavy luggage slowing you down. Okay, reason number two, destination specific clothes. One of the key benefits of hiring clothes was getting outfits that were specifically chosen for the local climate. Now I traveled through several countries on this trip, each with its own unpredictable weather patterns. In Lisbon, it was warm and sunny, so I needed lighter clothes. But when I hit London, I faced classic British rain and chilly temperatures. Actually, it started raining in Lisbon even before I'd left to return to London. HackPacking provided outfits that I chose from their catalogue that perfectly matched each city's weather conditions. So I was never caught off guard because I'd done the research and they just fulfilled my request. Instead of trying to pack for every possible weather scenario, overstuffing my luggage with everything from shorts to heavy jackets, I was able to rent the exact outfits I needed upon arrival. And it's honestly such a relief not to stress about packing for unpredictable weather, especially in places like Europe, where one day it's sunny and the next it's pouring with rain. Okay, reason number three, access to high quality and special occasion wear as well. All right, let's be real. Sometimes when you're traveling, you want to look a little bit more put together than your typical travel outfit. Whether it's for a special dinner or for a formal event or just exploring stylish European cities like Milan or Barcelona, having the right clothes can make a big difference. And this is another area where HackPacking came in handy. I had a meeting with friends in the members enclosure at a cricket match in London, and instead of packing shirts or formal wear, I was able to rent a great outfit that fit perfectly and looked great. HackPacking offers a range of high quality clothes from casual to formal wear, so no matter what your trip requires, you're pretty much covered. And I actually think that the selection for women was a bit wider and had more selections than for men, but it was just fine for men. However, I would say that the more casual items I rented, like t-shirts and jumpers, did feel a little bit more worn than the jeans, trousers, shirts and puffer jacket I rented, which felt and looked like they were in near new condition. Okay, reason number four is zero or minimal laundry hassles. And I think this is a huge perk. No laundry to deal with while traveling. Well, minimal anyway, depending on how long you're away for. Now, anyone who's been on an extended trip knows that laundry can become a chore, especially if you're moving from city to city. Finding a laundromat, waiting for machines, or even washing clothes in the sink, these all take valuable time out of your trip, and those clothes are then out of circulation too. Now with HackPacking, everything I rented was clean and ready to wear. Each outfit was delivered fresh and clean, so I didn't have to worry about laundry at all. I could just focus on enjoying my travels, whether that was taking in the sights, trying local food, or meeting new people. The convenience of just wearing something and returning it when I was done is something I didn't know could be so useful until I tried it. Okay, reason number 5, minimalist, eco-friendly travel. Traveling light isn't just convenient, it can also be better for the environment. Renting clothes through HackPacker or other services like that aligns with a more minimalist and eco-friendly approach to travel. We all know how harmful fast fashion can be, and by renting clothes instead of buying and then overpacking, I was able to reduce my personal impact on the planet maybe just a little bit. And traveling through Europe, you really start to appreciate the idea of minimalism, living with just the essentials. You know, their spaces for living are much smaller. Renting clothes allowed me to do that without sacrificing style or comfort. Plus, it feels a little bit good knowing that I'm not contributing to the cycle of overconsumption and waste. I am flying though. Reason 6 is extra space for those gifts and souvenirs. So yeah, this is a bit of an awesome bonus to traveling light, is that it leaves more room for the important stuff, gifts. Since I didn't have a bag crammed with clothes, I had space to bring back things I picked up along the way, whether it was gifts for my kids or some unique items from places that I can't shop in New Zealand. I didn't have to worry about overloading my luggage. Now, if you're the kind of traveler who likes to bring home a piece of your trip, then this is a huge advantage of renting your clothes. So if you're planning a trip and looking to travel lighter, more sustainably, and without the usual stress of overpacking, I really can't recommend HackPacker highly enough. For lighter luggage to weather appropriate outfits and the convenience of no laundry, renting clothes completely transformed my travel experience on my last trip. If you want to give it a try, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check them out for your next trip. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video, just right here.